right, if you look at the sentiment now, it's greed. Yeah, seeing investors getting really bullish in this market now. 62 points. We got to neutral for a few days, but now we're back to greed. I was expecting fear will come up at some point, but now we're back on greed, and looks like the market is, riding on strong at this point. Let's look at the market cap: 1.12 trillion, deeper into the $1 trillion level. Up 8.56%. We see volume traded. That's up 25.01%. What we're seeing, buying pressure in the market right now. Bitcoin dominance, that's sitting on 42.65%. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin, $24,693. We did get to that $21,500 support, but big bounce back. If you look at that one-day chart, now we'll see how that big candle, if you look at Bitcoin one-day chart, we'll see how Bitcoin there jumped from that 21,500 support all the way to that 25K level. Yeah, look at the chart there. See it's kind of overbought at this point. Now looking at the stochastic, they jump up there, big massive candle up to 24,000 from that 21,500 support. We'll see if that actually continues going forward. Let's bring in Rume Ofi now, financial market analyst. Hello, Rume.
Hello, Larry. Good morning.
Good morning, Rume. It's quite an exciting market we're seeing right now, but this is despite all the regulatory tension we're getting from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. They still have issues with crypto platforms, custody. So it's a crackdown on custody platforms at this point, and we still have the stable coin issue with BUSD. So how are we seeing the market so bullish right now?
The market is actually preempting all of the data that are going to come. I am not comfortable. I actually put a tweet out there because all of these influencers on YouTube are already saying, oh, we're heading, this is the beginning of the bull run, like the way we saw when Bitcoin was about 68K, that we are going to get to 100K. What is going on in the market is expecting a soft landing from the Fed, and that is not going to be possible because you can see that inflation is still sticky. It just came out about 6.4. The expectation was about 6.2, which shows that the Fed is going to still increase interest rate for a while. But the market is actually not agreeing to all of that. You can see now that Bitcoin has moved above the daily moving average, and also heading towards the weekly. But what I advise traders to do is don't FOMO, don't rush to the market. I personally, it's not going to be a popular opinion, but I personally think that this is a relief rally that will not last for a very long time. We're still going to see the downside. I don't have crystal ball right now, but we're still going to see the right side. So the downside. So please, people should be very, very, very careful. And all of the crackdowns going on, it's a way for the SEC to come up with some kind of clarity for the space, because we have seen a lot of things happen in the space. People's money has actually gone away with certain decisions they made. So the SEC is coming up really strict concerning custodial wallets and stuff and platforms that help you keep your money. So when they go bankrupt or maybe when the business goes down, people can actually have something to leverage on. Some clarity in the regulation. But it sounds a bit tough for the players, though. But it's a step for me in the right direction.
Right, Rume. Everyone looking for clarity right now from regulators at this time. Thank you so much. We'll keep tracking the market to see if this bullish run actually continues. Thank you, Rume.
Thank you very much, Ladi.
Yeah.